Hematopoietic stem cells is one of the tissue stem cells that reside in bone marrow and continuously generate all blood cells throughout lifetime of an individual. Here is a simplified figure which illustrates the life of a single hematopoietic stem cells called HSC thereafter. They can choose three cell fates. One is differentiation to mature blood and immune cells. Second, self-renew to generate the HSC themselves. The last one is apoptosis to die. When inflammation occurs, immune cells respond to it in inflamed peripheral tissues and try to resolve it by migration to secondary lymphoid organs such as proximal lymph nodes or distal spleen. After that, some of the activated immune cells at high demand are consumed and replenished by their upstream parental cells like HSC and their progenitors. Therefore, HSC in bone marrow somehow sends the demand signals through blood circulation and re-establish immune system. In such a case, inflammation plays a beneficial role to control blood immune homeostasis. However, if inflammation sustains for a long time, like a chronic inflammation, it might show detrimental effects. Extended inflammatory signals would induce genetic aberration on HSCs and impair their function. Also, it would foster clonal hematopoiesis and drive malignant transformation leading to hematologic malignancies. Role of inflammation in HSC regulation has been becoming one of the hot topics in the field of hematology. What my lab has been interested in focusing on right now is to understand how inflammation induced by infection, microbial dysregulation, natural aging influences hematopoiesis through regulation of HSC behavior. To study both mouse and human hematopoiesis, we have been using different inflammatory animal models, many genetically modified mouse models allowing genetic cell depletion, hematopoietic lineage tracing, in combination with the state-of-the-art technologies such as tissue imaging, single-cell analysis, including single-cell RNA ATAC sequencing. What I think fun when doing research is to think of and design an experiment to prove own hypothesis or theory and to know something new that nobody knew before. I have been very happy to serve as the one of them who generates human knowledge and write a new textbook for human future. I strongly believe that science is one of the ways that can help to make human societies richer and happier. I'm originally from Tokyo and spent more than half of my life there. After my PhD in Tokyo, I went to Switzerland and spent 80 years to do a postdoc and group leader. After that, I have moved to Kumamoto for the last 6 years. I never come to Kumamoto before, but I found many interesting features in science and life. What is good about Kumamoto, besides research, is people are nice, living cost is cheaper than it should, but food is wonderful, especially fruits and vegetables are so good. Clean water, and there are lots of nature around in both sea and mountain area. Overall, quality of life in Kumamoto is way better than the other cities I'm enjoying. I organize a welcome and a fair dinner or lunch whenever people come and go. Due to COVID-19, it is now very difficult to have a guest coming from other places in Japan or other countries to our institute. However, whenever we get a guest, we have a dinner with them to discuss science and life. I sometimes organize one-day trip as a lab retreat, like go hiking in mountains. Apart from my lab activities, we have 3 institutional events: our cherry blossom viewing party in spring, summer barbecue party, year-end party in winter. I love doing sports, watching movies, gardening, and reading books these days. Since I came to Kumamoto, I have started training myself for triathlon and participated the race 3 to 5 times a year, including Ironman race. This is because the first triathlon race in Japan was organized in Kumamoto in 1985. Though I was unable to swim, I trained hard and have been able to swim now. I was very happy that I can do still things better even though I'm not young. This experience made me realize that a challenging spirit makes things possible. The other reason I like doing sports is because I can refresh myself by only focusing on my breathing and muscle movement, but nothing else. Sometimes I can come up with a new idea while doing sports. Master or PhD students are more than welcome to join us. We are looking for ambitious, highly motivated students who love science and want to change the world. I think we always need a new blood to do a new science.